display relations operations. Selecting the option shows the relations which have been applied. So if you create an object, you can already see the relations you have formed in the relations tabs. So we'll select a plane. I'm creating front plane. I'm selecting it and creating a rectangle. You can see here, and I'm creating a line. Then if you go to display relations, you can see all these relations which have been present here. So if you want to delete them one by one, or you can delete them all. Dangling dimensions, so dimensions which are not perfect, these things will come. So defined in context. So similarly, so different types of relations are there according to categories. Whatever option you want, you can select. According to it, it will show the relations which are present. Then if you want to add a relation, you can create. Suppose between two these lines I want to create a collinear, that also I can create. Means collinear means same line, so these two. So I can create a tangent from a circle and a line. See, tangent relation I can create. Similarly, I can create a number of relations as I want. So you can see the green highlighted symbol there, those are called relations. So you can add any relations according to the object. Now, so you can see already tangent is there. Once again I am explaining. So you can fix that also. You can see there is black color line, that is called fully defined. Create black lines, it's called fully defined sketch. So fully defined sketch is nothing but it is fully defined, means it cannot move. So if you get black color lines, it is called fully defined. I'm creating a line here, some random shape using line. So don't be in a hurry to create. So as you can see here, I've missed the one line. So I want to create this line is a fully defined. So I can calculate, and the software does the job for me and creates a fully defined line for me. So you can see below here, so fully defined is there. So whenever the shape of the object changes into black color, you can understand that is a fully defined. So it is, if it is blue color shape or any other color, you can change that color in settings. So blue indicates by default underdefined, black indicates fully defined, and red or any purple color indicates over defined. So we'll see what is a rapid sketch option. So similar to DUCS command, what is DUCS we'll see later. That is nothing but dynamic user coordinate systems. In AutoCAD you have seen that command. I think people who have done AutoCAD software know knowledge about the AutoCAD software. So what is a DUCS? So you can, this is nothing but you can select multiple phases at a time. So whenever you're creating a 3D object, suppose I'm creating an option using from this only, some 50 mm I'm creating. So suppose if I want to create a sketch on any of the dimensions, so you can select a sketch only in one direction. So if I want to use simultaneous sketches at one sketch, in one sketch only, one option, so I can use this rapid sketch option. See, you can see here I'm creating circle here. Then now if I want to create on any direction, just place on the face, it will automatically create. You can see here multiple circles I'm creating on multiple directions. It is very easy and very convenient method to create a sketch, multiple sketches in one command. So one go you can. Now we'll see repair sketch option. Repair sketch also option is also a very important option. This is nothing but whenever you are in a hurry to create some sketches, you need to see repair sketch. If you don't use repair sketch, you will get lot of errors while creating a 3D solid. This command is used to repair any irregularities in the sketch, means any errors or any open shapes. If you want to create a closed sketch, there are any open shapes, you can close with this repair sketch option. Now see, randomly I forgot to close this shape. So see here, if I give repair sketch option and if I select that, now it is not showing any value. Why? Because I have not given the length, so I need to guess the length, how much the length is. So it will show in a magnified manner so that I can close that. Same thing, select the line there and close the object. So this is a very useful option. Again, I'll give value. So if you give the value more than that thing, you can get that magnified, otherwise you will not get. So with this, we have come to the end of the tutorial. Thank you.